नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू दी इंडिया ग्लोबल स्टडी। आज की हमारी वीडियो होगी कंप्यूटर जीके पर। तो बिना किसी देरी की वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इज़ द इन्वेंटर ऑफ कंप्यूटर? तो इसका सही आंसर है चार्ल्स बेबेज। चार्ल्स बेबेज इज द राइट आंसर, ऑप्शन नंबर सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर नेम? आईनेक। When was the first discovery of modern computer? 1946, 1946. Since when did the great revolution in the field of computer come? 1960. What is the Hindi name of computer? Computer या संगणक. When is the Computer Literacy Day celebrated? 2 December. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Which of the following is not a search engine? Wolfram Alpha. Who is the input unit in the following? All of these. Mouse, keyboard, scanner. Question number 10. 1 kilobyte equal to the many bytes? 1024 bytes. 1 KB equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte equal to how many kilobytes? 1024 kilobytes KB. 1 gigabyte यानी 1 GB equal to how many megabytes? 1024 megabytes. The answer, option number B, is right answer. Used in computers, C chip are made from silicon. Is the post HTTP in internet address the correct details from hypertext transfer protocol? What is the language often used by children in a computer program? Logo. What is a sound personal computer that is small to be placed on your lap? Notebook computer. The assembler is a program. Which of the following is conversion of the program from assembling to machine? Multiprocessing by more than one processor. Is optical memory of the following CD-ROM? CPU consists of control memory and third which unit? Arithmetic logic. Are in ALU of CPU? Register. What part of the computer is used for calculation and comparison? ALU. A hardware device what converts data into earthful information? Processor. Processor has three main parts: ALU, control unit, and register. Who controls the movement of signal between CPU and IO? Control unit. मीन्स ऑफ IO का मतलब इनपुट एंड आउटपुट, यानी who controls the movement of signals between CPU and input output? Control unit. Computer central processing unit has a function, performs calculation and processing. Which of the following is not a computer basic function? Scanning text, performs operations, arithmetic. What does most of the processing in the computer? CPU, central processing unit. Which of the following function does the computer not do? Understanding. Understanding. With who does the major memory work? CPU, central processing unit. The microprocessor that is the brain of a computer is called microchip. Is the magnitude produced by the computer output? Is the output of the input converted by CPU? What is processed data process? CPU is the main computer. All of these: control unit, memory, arithmetic, logic unit. Computer capability limited. What kind of intelligence is a computer leveled? Artificial. Man memory is compared to computer normal. Who has more speed in human mind and computer? Of course, human mind. What is EDP? Electronic data processing. Is the full form of EDP, electronic data processing. What is called information in computer? Collected data. Which is called data in computer? Symbols and numerical information. Why is the conversion of the input to the output? CPU. What is computer going data called? Input. What does data processing mean? Preparing information for commercial use. What is ATM? Cash without staff. Are converted to information by computer process. Data are converted to information by computer process. An electronic device that processes data by converting it into information. Processor. Is the fast calculation device. Abacus. What work was a famous computer called Pac-Man made for? Game. Who built the first mechanical calculator? Blaise Pascal. Had developed the computer infrastructure? Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage had developed the computer infrastructure. Which of the biggest, fastest and most expensive computer? Supercomputer. Digital computer is a commonly used computer. Is the commonly used computer digital computer? What is Cray? Supercomputer. What generation of computer did multi-programming start with? Third generation. What did the world's first supercomputer become? 1976. What is the name of the first computer manufactured in India? Siddharth. What is the number of function key in the keyboard? Simple question. 12. Which printer prints a letter in stroke? Line printer. Which printer prints a letter in a stroke? Line printer. Which of these is not an input device? Monitor. Is the most high speed printer? Laser printer is the most high speed printer. Which is the full name of LCD? Liquid crystal display. Displays the work added to the computer memory. Monitor. Who makes playing games easier joystick. What key are Control Shift and Alt called? Modifier key. What is the pattern of printed lines called on most product? Barcodes. What is the full form of OCR? Optical character recognition. Optical character recognition. Which of the following is not an output device? Touch screen. Personal computer is the simplest storage device. Floppy disk. How to measure the display size of a monitor? Diagonally. Is the input device used to get printed diagram in a computer? Scanner. Scanner is the input device used to get printed diagram in the computer. Who created the first computer mouse? Douglas and Engelbart. What? Who created the first computer mouse? Douglas Engelbart. में भी मैंने सही नाम लिया है. When working on a document on a PC, the document is temporarily stored in RAM. Random access memory. What is the main memory of computer? Inner memory. What type of memory does a floppy disk belong to? External. What kind of memory is RAM? Main memory. Which of the following is not RAM? Pram. What type of storage device are used in cell phones? Cache. What type of storage is internal storage? Primary. In which memory does the data placed and as soon as it goes to electricity? RAM. CD also now as compact disc other than optical disc. Magnetic are the most common types of storage devices. Magnetic. What can you do with CD? Read and write. Which of the following is an example of optical disc? Digital versatile disc. Which device can understand the difference between program and data? Microprocessor. DVD is ablaze E. Optical disc. DVD is a ablaze optical disc. The major memory of a computer is called all of these: primary memory, internal memory, or primary storage. What is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors? Formatting. What of the following is not an example of storage device? RAM. File system permanently. File system permanently in storage. Secondary. What is DVD? Digital video disc. Performs सामान्य मैथमेटिक for CPU. ALU. Through which information does the travel between the motherboard components? Bus. BUS. बस मीन्स जो हम कंप्यूटर के अंदर पेन ड्राइव जो इंस्टॉल करते हैं या डालते हैं जो उसका पोर्ट होता है उसे बस कहते हैं. What is called the main piece of computer? Motherboard. PC. What is the full name of personal computer? What is the place where the accessors contact to the system unit? Port. Computer can BM is the full name of International Visibility Machine. Which port connects special type of music device to sound cards? MIDI. MIDI. तो MIDI की फुल फॉर्म होती है म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिजिटल इंटरफेस. Performs communication control for the entire computer system. Motherboard is the hardware used to read the disk drive. Electronic component well says thin plate या board. Circuit board. What are the expansion card inserted slot? What is the speed of a computer clock calculated bit? What remains in the motherboard that convert the CPU to other parts on the motherboard? System bus. Which were the first computer programmed using machine language? Who developed basic computer language? John S. Cami. When did basic computer language developed? 1964. What is the performance of a program called a picture flow chart? What is the performance of a program called a picture flow chart? Which of the following is a scientific computer language? Fortran. What is COBOL useful for computer language? Professional work. Which computer language is used in commercial work? COBOL. Have a high level computer language similar to the English language? COBOL. Who is the inventor of the computer language Java? Sun Microsoft. Applies to all computer machine language. Apply to all computers. Java is the computer language used on the internet. Which use does the operating system called Unix specifically bring? Web servers. Which programming language does not need a translator? Machine language. Which of the following is a machine independent program? High level language. Mistake is an algorithm that produces incorrect result. What is it called? Logical error. What does machine language use? Numerical code. Computer data stores and use number system to make calculation binary. Which is the largest unit of storage of the following? TB. Terabyte. KB or MB or GB. Gigabyte, megabyte, kilobyte. It is the short form of whose binary digit? How many options does a byte have? 8. What is the smallest unit of computer memory called? Bit. How much byte together makes a kilobyte? 1024. How many digits does the binary number system have? 2. What is the method of storing letters and symbols in bytes coding system? What does the length of a word in a computer measure? Bit. What is logic gate? A type of circuit. How is information stored on a computer? Digital data. Which is a program that makes it easier to use computer? Utility. What is the error in program that produce incorrect या inappropriate inappropriate result? Bug. The primary purpose of software is to change the data information. Is there a process to find errors in software code? Debugging. What is the physical design of a computer called? Hardware. What is the full name of DOS? Disk operating system. It has an old word access. What did Unix develop? 1969. Is Unix the main language? Assembly. What software is used to work in a computer application? Which software controls the hardware of computer system? What kind of computer language is compiler? Low-level language. What is a program sold in the market for use in computers? Software package. What are the features of Unix? Ken Thompson. Does it work to convert a program written in the computer assembly language into a machine language? Assembler. What is called the technology facility to make connection between hardware and software? Interface. What is the original program written in the programming language called? Source program. In which operating system can users operate multiple computers simultaneously? Time sharing. Oracle is database software. Tally is software used accounting. What does CDA means? Computer aided design. What software is used to create resume and be PageMaker MS Word? Whose example is MS Word? Application software. What is a human readable version of a program called? Program code. Convert and execute one statement at a time. Convert and execute one statement at a time. Interpreter. What is called restarting an already running computer? Rebooting. What is the full name of POST? Our own self-test. What kind of software is Linux? Open sources. What two processors are installed in a computer? What is called? Parallel processing. What user often use for access to mainframes या supercomputers? Terminal. In which topology are network components connected to the same cable? Bus. Have a set of rules. Protocol. What is the name of the network topology that has bidirectional link in each potential node? Mesh. Whose short form is it? Local area network. Typical is the most powerful computer in the network server. What is the word in a web page that opens another postment when clicked? Hyperlink. In which line is the content of the message told when sending an email? Subject. India first political party that created its website on the internet. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP. Which state has provided telephone directory on the internet first in India? Sikkim. What is the full name of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. What is a device that connects two or more networks called gateway? Uses HTTP web page. Web page uses HTTP. Use www protocol. HTTP uses www protocol. What is the first page या main page that appears on accessing a website? Home page. Next question. Helps connect computer to the internet. Browser. Browser help connect a computer to the internet. Organization from which area is the structure of ORG? From which area is the structure of ORG? Organization. .com domain is concerned business institution. How long did the internet subdued in India? 1995. The address of the website is called from the following URL. Okay, 200 question is completed. If you like the video, please share to your friends. And if you want to more video of computer GK, please subscribe India Global Study and press bell icon. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.